Kaseng BJP kalat tayar yaladi ban airang marway hak Ilekshon Shiteng Samoi hak Gambegre. Da kejing temu ban penyar ya kabor jangka hamikalaya. Uhe nong yalam kaseng BJP ubadeiru udukhat kakenhun menteri uba ELHEG ula pentikna bakasnat trekam jangkani gejala kan jam syakmat da kani kejing temu kat badang ap ya kejing mencur kabakadu na kinong yalam jangka seng kemi. Uba heg ungit skemru hakabor jang kaseng banyo ikajing job watla kadon kamat hindutwa kabala ban kata shibun yaka ula banjur bagajing don kaseng BJP hakarensan jang kari bat kajingla ban nebha hagijela kathan chatei lamingi ka aiman siam yaka banyo jing job hakani kakenti
development, more project. At least if we have our own people there, then we can, tell the center also to give maximum whatever it will be possible through the state government for the development of not only Gambegre but the whole state of Meghalaya. I'm telling you, BJP have their own identity. BJP is the country is ruling by BJP. In many northeastern states also is ruling by the BJP. What is wrong to get the one seat also in Gambegre if we work very hard? It depends only on the national leadership. If they come all together, we went on the state leadership, we campaign for our official candidate and we will try our best to make it win.